By the end of this video, you will be able to create a successful verified Deriv account, how to open a Deriv account step by step. This is a full tutorial, because I believe you watching this video, you're about to create an account, or you find things complicated, like you have an issue when you're trying to create an account. This is a beginner step video. So let's go straight to today's video. I'm going to show you everything from scratch in the next couple of minutes, and I'm going to show you one thing at the end of this video that most people who open Deriv accounts never know about, that costs them money without them knowing. Are you guys getting it? So let's get started. Make sure you use the partner link in the description of this video, and also in the pinned comment section. I'll also drop it. I'll tell you guys the reason later on in this video. So I'm going to copy the link, so you guys will see it in the description. That same partner link in the description, paste it in your browser, or you just click on it straight up, you take it to your browser. So guys, please bear with my network. So you are going to be redirected to Deriv sign up page. So when you are being redirected to Deriv sign up page, you click on open account, as you guys can see Microsoft. So guys, bear with me. So yeah, you're going to choose your region, your country you are from. So Deriv is available in different parts of the world. Like Deriv is available in Africa, and up to like 40 countries in Africa, Asia, like different continents of the world. Like Deriv is available in South Africa, Malaysia, Nigeria, Ghana, and so on. So I'm from Nigeria. I'm creating this account for a Nigerian citizen, so I'm going to click on sign up. So I'm going to sign up with Gmail. So let me input the Gmail real quick. Let me do that real quick. Let me do that real quick, guys. Oh, correct. Great. So I'm going to click next. So a 6-digit code will be sent to the Gmail. So let me get that real quick. So I'm getting the code. So the code is 567010. You guys have to be fast with this because it's tough count time. So now this is where you set up your password. So let me put that real quick. So I've entered my password. Let me just click on create account. You guys should watch this video closely, so you can see start real trading. When you are in this page, make sure you click on try real trading, so you'll be able to put your documents. Like I said in this video, you need 2 documents to create your Deriv account, which is POD, like proof of identity, and also proof of address to verify you are living in that country, and proof of identity means show you are from that country. Are you getting it? So those are the 2 documents you'll be needing. And why I said you guys should use the partner link earlier, you get access to a private account officer from Deriv. Are you guys getting it? Because you using partner, like someone referring to the platform, give them that urge and feeling that to treat you like a king. You just going to their platform to sign up. Like they treat referred account well more than normal users. Are you guys getting? Because they don't want to use the user like normal business arithmetic. So you also get access to a lot of bonuses, and you also have access to a lot of resources from Deriv broker, because they will give you access to their trading education, whereby you learn how to trade from them. Like you just using this partner, that way I was able to like reach out to them, and they said any of your clients that use this link gets access to a lot of benefit. That I said you guys must use the partner link. So let's continue real quick. So now we are going to click on try real trading. So please when you're doing this, make sure you input your credentials the way it is on your identity. Make sure you are with one of your valid documents that you want to use to verify. So I'm going to do that real quick. So now use where you enter your phone number. Make sure you use a phone number that you have full access to. Even though you lost the SIM or you lost the number, you can be able to retrieve it. So let me do that real quick. So yeah, I've done that. Then click on next. So I think a code will be sent to the number. Let's see what bring up. Guys, please bear with my network, it's kind of lagging. So a code was sent to the number. So it's going to be sent to your WhatsApp DM. So let's click on next again. So now address, guys, make sure you use the address on your bank statement, the way the address you use in any of your valid documents like waste bill, electricity bills, the way the address is being used, that's what you should use here. If not, your account won't be verified. These are some mistakes beginners make when creating an account. Make sure your documents are ready and in line with everything, like everything is right before you think of like creating your account, because the way the name is on your credentials, that is the way you should input it while creating your account. So now let's enter the address the way it is on the credential. So I'm not going to be quick with that. Let me get that real quick. So now, account opening reasoning. You can choose the reason why you're opening this account. So I'm going to click on savings. I'm going to click on savings, and I'm going to click on next. So make sure you think, go through these terms and conditions about the platform, and make sure you think they are not from US citizen and you're not paying tax. Are you a citizen? You just click on no. Yeah, so just click on no and click on accept. Please guys, if you have any question, make sure you ask. I'm open to answer you guys. And also, one thing I love about Deriv is that you can trade carry all type of pairs, synthetic indices. Deriv is a platform that gives you access to a lot of resources. I hear guys getting they have a lot of product that make them stay unique in the platform. So you can see, because you use the partner link, you can see claim your bonus. Your bonus is waiting. Make a deposit and claim up to $100 in your trading account. Valid limited offer, which went on the May 31 as I'm recording this video. No matter the time you're watching this video, when you use the partner link, you'll be able to get a lot of bonus. Even aside from bonus, it's a lot more, like I said. So that one should be an issue. So now let's go to home so we can like put our credentials. But don't deposit yet when you're done to like you're yet to do the full verification. I don't advise you guys to do that because your money might hang. So you can see when it comes to home, because of people might find it difficult, this is the platform. So you click on this, your profile, you can see another bonus again. So we're not depositing yet. I'm going to bring it down. So just click on this 3 profile at the left hand corner of this page. Then we'll scroll down to you see proof of identity and proof of address have to be verified. So let's do that real quick. So since you're in Nigeria, you can use different documents to verify your proof of identity. You can use your Nigeria driving license, international passport. You can use your NIN slip, that paper one. So if you are watching this video from different countries, use any of your country valid document that is available there. So I'm going to be using international passport in this case. I'm going to click on next. As simple as ABC. Either you have it live or you just click on that upload button. So I click on done. So it's under review. You should be checking your mail. So I think we're done with proof of identity. Now let's go verify proof of address. So let's do that. You can see proof of identity is now in review by proof of address. Let's do that so real quick. So confirm your address, choose how you would like to verify. Use my location GPS to verify or upload a document. You can give Deriv access to your location so they verify your address the way you are living in the country, or if you are not comfortable with that, you can use your document. So I'm going to just use document, but this person I'm creating an account for is not here. So yeah, I'm going to use bank statement. Like I said, for proof of address, there are different means, different ways you can use to verify it. Same thing, you can use affidavits, bank statement, government official letters that carry the address. It might be a tax receipt, utility bill, tenants agreement, usually carry address. So we're going to be using bank statements for this. So we're just going to click on this place. You guys should look at my cursor. We'll just click on this down part to just upload like the file, the bank statement. Upload the bank statement is processing. They are checking the address of the bank statements. So as it's getting done, don't forget, if you have any question, I also link my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp if you have any issue with creating accounts, and if you have any issue concerning Deriv, I'll be in assist like get it solved for you. And also you can see submission successful. Your proof of address is successfully submitted. Let's click on done. So we have been able to create the account. Fine, our documents are in review, but I use the right name, use the right date of birth, and I use the way the address is being written on the bank statement. That's what I wrote out before when creating my account, before it gets to the stage of like verifying the document. So you can see, okay, now congratulations to us, our proof of identity is now verified. It's now left for our proof of address. It's going to be verified real quick. So now let's go to how to deposit. One thing I love about Deriv is that you can deposit with different methods. You have agents, you can use online bank transfers to also deposit, you can use crypto, different means of depositing. Are you guys getting it? So you can use crypto for one of the fastest payment, but I do advise my Nigerian brothers and sisters watching this video, or Ghanaians to use online bank transfer like Momo, or use Pay via Nigeria, make sure you use online bank transfer or use crypto to initiate your transaction, and also use the same payment method you use to deposit to also withdraw, because so you won't get into like risks of like pending funds, rejected funds, stuff like that. So always use the same method you use in depositing, withdrawing. So in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to trade on this platform and so on. Make sure you subscribe to this video. I want you to do two things now: like this video, secondly, create your account with the partner link in the description of this video, and also you find it in the pinned comment section. Thirdly, join the my Telegram channel where I drop guys, I drop literally good set of trades where we trade together. I'm not perfect, but the win rate is up like 80%. I'm not charging you a dime. And also I'll be dropping a free comprehensive Forex class whereby you learn the basics of trading, how to analyze and so on, all for free. Just make sure you check the description for everything you need. And if you have any question, let me know. So you guys to stay safe and stay calm. Please don't give up your trading. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. One love. In my next video, I'll teach you how to navigate the platform. So our address is also verified, as you can see in the mail, and also you can see it in the notification. We'll be able to verify everything, literally everything in the account, step by step. Make sure you follow same procedure, and make sure you don't refresh your page while creating accounts to not lose a lot of benefits of using the partner link. Bye for now. You should stay safe.